Agents of pollination अखोइना सिगी टॉपिक सिना agents of pollination नेबा agents of pollination हाइबदी अखोइना pollination थोकपा मतमदा external agent चंगी हाइदना अदुगी agency दो कई कई नो हाइबदी नेबा agents of pollination दा तमदो सिना को अदुदी येंसे plants use two abiotic and one biotic animal agents to achieve pollination. Pollination thokpa matamda plant na use story se abiotic agent ani habadi wind ka water ga aduga biotic agent tama animals ta ko wind na tawba pollination duna anemophily ka weba ko wind na taw pollination sina anemophily ka weba ko aduga water na tawba pollination sina hydrophily ka weba hydrophily ka weba sina wind na tawba neba ko aduga sina water na tawba neba biotic animals se makhan yam tawe birds na tawba sulaiba pollination se birds na tawba insect na tawba na entomophily ka weba ko aduga bats na tawba duna Ceratophily ka we aduga birds na tawba na ornithophily ka weba ko pollination makhan leiba ko biotic kidus animals agent tawba duso majority of plants use biotic agent for pollination ayambadi majority of plants ayambadi ko moina use story se biotic agent neba ayamba use story se haidi animal na tawba pollination du neba story se ayamba plants sing de only a small proportion of plant use abiotic agents plants khara khataneba small proportion khara khataneba abiotic agents in abiotic agent haidi wind ka water ga na pollination tawbodo adu season se small proportion khara khataneba plant da wind ka water ga season side pollen grains coming in contact with the stigma is a chance factor in both wind and water pollination pollen grain come in contact with the stigma pollen grain ga stigma ga punna leminaba se ko wind ka water ga the chance leiba ko haidi wind ka water na toba pollination da chance leiba to compensate for these uncertainties and associated loss of pollen grain the flower produce enormous amount of pollen when compared to the number of ovules available for pollination to compensate for this uncertainty uncertainty pollen grain se wind na pubo ero water na pubo ero tambangam damni na haidi stigma da loina wind na 100% wind na pure khalo pollen grain se 100% yauni di lai damni stigma da adu do marak ta mya mang hoba lai do ne ba adu me ya do mang hoba me ya do compensate ta una ba hot na ba da ne flower sing sina ne enormous amount of pollen haidi pollen se ovule ge yeng na taradi ovule ge yeng tardi pollen puthokpasina ne produce tawbasine yam thina heleba haidi loss to compensate tawna bo hotna bada next pollination by wind de kai koeba anemophily ka weba ko pollination by wind se anemophily ka weba is more common among abiotic pollination da quite common oiba se wind pollination sineba wind pollination also required that the pollen grains are light and non-sticky so that they can transport it in wind currents ko wind pollination na is important ne ko wind pollination tawbada ne pollen grains se yam yang but light oiba machange yang bam change aduga non sticky oidam nap laudaba ko machange ba kaigino haiba matamda wind current haidi nushina humba matamda yang na pai khina ba haidi stigma do da taru na ba yang na wind current na pukhi ba ya na ngai ma se light oiba machange aduga non sticky oiba machange ba They often possess well-exposed stamen so that the pollens are easily dispersed into wind current. Well-exposed stamen hiding asagi anther do exposed taweba. Exposed tawemina nushina pubada ilai na pollen do pukhiba yanangagi. And large often feathery stigma to easily trap airborne pollen grain. Aduga ngasai stigma tarugadaba stigma adusune stigma adusu feathery oi haidagi kai haitare zom zom laoi habane feathery oi ba haidi sise ko sina kaigino haiba matamda ngasai pollen grain do lakpa matamda ne moin ilai na trap tawbanga phajan mangam nangai gi. Wind pollinated flowers often have a single ovule in its ovary ko wind na pollinate wa flower sing sidi ko wind na pollinate wa flower sing sidi ayamba single ovule leba ovule amamam da single ovule amamam khatang yauni bo ovary amamam da and numerous flower packed into an inflorescence. Similar flower pack haidi lay flower do lay na do yamba do a familiar example is the corn cob. Chuzak pambi do ko tezel you see are nothing tezel haidi matonda ro manba matu jom lauba ma haidi corn gi pambi gi matonda panba do adudagi adugi tezel do kaimna tiba stigma ne ba ko adudo but the stigma ga style ga ne ba which web in the wind to trap pollen grain. Stigma ga sa aduduna nushita dum humala ne nushina humala ni na aduda pollen grain alakpado mana phazan do neba. Wind pollination is quite common in grasses. Pollination by water is quite rare in flowering plants and is limited to about 30 genera, mostly monocotyledons. Wind pollination water na pollinate tauba flowering plants se rare yam tangi bako aduga 30 genera haidi genera 30 khatane bako mostly monocotyledon haidi cotyledon am khatang oiba yam ba cotyledon am khatang oiba plants khatang da plants na taweba water pollination se aduna pollination by water se monocotyledon hai se kai habno habel hai or sigi chapter se double fertilization la kan da gyan tarakani ba cotyledon sai se kai no hai. As against this you would recall that the water is a regular mode of transport for the male gamete among the lower plant groups such as algae, bryophyte and pteridophytes. Class 11 de yaukre kaino habada male gamete se lower plant haidi algae gumba bryophyte pteridophyte ki di water sina mode of transport water sina pubido ne ba male gamete se ko sugumba lower plant group sing the algae bryophyte pteridophyte se water sina mode of transport oeba male gamete se water sina pubidori ne ba female gamete na ko. It is believed, particularly for some bryophytes and pteridophytes, that their distribution is limited because of the need for water for the transport of male gametes and fertilization. It is believed, particularly for some bryophyte kharagi bryophyte amasung pteridophyte kharagi the particular oi bhabane ko their distribution is limited moi distribution se limited oi haidi leiden arta moi distribution se limited oi habadi yam de ba kai gi damak to ne yamak trisina haba matam da moi gi di fertilization thokpa matam da natraga male gamete se female gamete yoba matam da water sina moi mode of transport oi rakpani na water yaudra moi se female gamete se male gamete yoba ngamak tabanina moigi limitation eba. Some example of water pollinated plants are Bellisneria and Hydrilla, which grow in fresh water, and several marine seagrasses such as Zostera. Marine fresh water de pond gumba pukri gumba da ko Bellisneria Hydrilla si yam hogalidana adugumba sugumba singse water pollinated plants nga taneba ko aduga marine da haragana sea grasses singse Zostera se. Not all aquatic plants Not all aquatic plants use water for pollination. Hydrophily, water pollination haraga water da laiba water gi plants sing se loina water pollination tauba natte ba khara khatane ba water pollination tawride water gi aquatic plants sing se ko khara khatane ba. In a majority of aquatic plants, such as water hyacinth and water lily, the flower emerge above the level of water and are pollinated by insect or wind, as in most of the land plants. In majority of aquatic plants ayam haidi isingda hoba plants sing se ayambade water hyacinth gumba water lily gumba se ko my flowers se water level da haidi water level dugi water level du leiriba water level du de hankatla satlani dana leise adugi mathakta satlani satlaga aduga pollinated kaina pollinate tawni pollen grain se kanan purakani habadana insect na purakani natraga wind na purakani ba insect na tawba pollination do kai koweba entomophily koweba ko entomophily koweba duga wind na tawbuduna anemophily koweba ko. As in most of the land in plants haidi compounded hoba plants sing se land ta hoba ka plants sing da tawba dumaina ne water da hoba plants sing su insect na tawba ya ba wind na stowe ba pollination se. In Balisneria, the female flower reaches the surface of water by the long stalk, and the male flowers or pollen grain are released onto the surface of water. Balisneria the pollination se kamain tawge habada female flowers na ne surface of water haidi isingi laimai de yaurani dan female flowers ising laimai du da satlani dan ising surface to the level du da aduga kai mateng na magi stalk mai makhok tu gi mateng na ko aduga male flower du na water level water gi surface to the pollen grains release tawdoni ba water gi surface to the they carried passively by water currents carried passively by water currents. Diagram lakani ko adukan gyan tar water current haidi isingi ithak tu na puri neba isingi irai du na moe puri neba ko haidi pollen grain do puri neba. Some of them eventually reach the female flowers. Khara amadi female flower yorani yoraga aduga stigma da yorani pollen grain do. In another group of water pollinated plants such as sea grasses, the female flowers sea grasses kumba atopa water na pollinate tauba plant hai tar di sea grasses tadi female flowers se remain submerged manung da ne adum manung da lai shu dum sa lebe ising manung da dum lai shu sa lebe ko aduga pollen grain do na kai release taw na pollen grain do ising do manung da sa lamni na pollen grain su manung da dum release taw re ising manung da pollen grain in many such species are long rebel like adugumba adugumba pollen grain do species to long oeba adugumba pollen grain haidi ising manungda fertilization thokpa gi plant do adugumba plant jing do adugumba gi species to di magi pollen grain se long sangaga ne ribbon do mind taweba and they are carried passively inside the water adudo water manungduda purani aduga water manungduda satliba laibduda adum tasandori ne badugi stigma duda some of them reach the stigma kharam the stigma the reach sarani and achieve pollination aduga pollination thoni in most of the water pollinated species pollen grain are protected from the wetting by a mucilaginous covering ko sise important haidi pollinate water no pollinate tauba haidi pollinate tauba species tadi ko pollen grains ising manung da su release tauba yawe ising gi surface da su release tauba yawe aduna pollen grain do chot ta nangai gi wet oida nangai gi covering ama yawe ba ko mucilaginous covering ama. Next, Both wind and water pollinated flowers are not very colorful and do not produce nectar. Nectar haidi wind ga water ga na pollinate tauba flowers sing jisine ko magi color se yam phajade ba ko colorful oide ba aduga nectar su produce taude haidi lahi chen de ba ko nectar haidi lahi haibane lahi lahi haibado ado lahi su chen de ba yam thoina ko lahi puthok de ba ko produce taude